So let's talk, in case you haven't heard about what we're talking about these discs. When we talk about being in a receptive mode, we mean being tuned in, tapped in, turned on. We mean flying high, feeling good, feeling elation and clarity and happiness and joy and appreciation. That's a vibrational point of attraction that when you are feeling those things, what you are then receptive of are things like that. That's how you receive your source energy. That's how you receive your inner being. But let's say that something has happened and you're feeling vulnerable, or like there's some injustice that's happened and you're really feeling Onry about it. People write letters to Esther. They don't know what the word Onry is. Apparently it's a much older word than this society understands. It just means cranky and cantankerous and just looking for something to pick a fight about. And so if you're feeling like that, then when you look around, often you notice that the people around you seem to be feeling like that too. And it isn't because you turned them into that. It means you met them there. Well, the important thing about understanding about law of attraction is that you didn't create your family. You didn't create their reality. You didn't cause them to be who they are. But sometimes you live similar life experiences, and so sometimes you turn out in similar ways. You don't need to, but often you do, because you are observing the same surroundings and often talking about them a lot, and so you are inciting in one another similar vibrational frequencies. It's sort of like, once the ball gets rolling, let's say you have a negative vibration, negative feeling vibration going on, and you're not aware of it because you don't know about the power of your emotions, so you don't do anything about shifting it or changing your focus or trying to feel better. So it just gets worse and worse and worse until it becomes a manifestation. Well, once a manifestation has occurred, it's more difficult not to notice it. So there's just a perpetuation of, I felt Onry, and here's the reason, and so I'm Onry, and now I've manifested this, and now I've manifested this, I'm even more Onry. And now I'm Onry, and now I've manifested this, and now I've manifested this, I'm even more Onry. So it's logical, isn't it, that people are observing, and what they're observing then is affecting their vibration. But the key, that's why we began talking about unconditional alignment. Not letting the conditions that surround you be the reason that you offer the vibration that you do. So when you are born into families, you're not, in other words, there is so much fact or documentation offered by medical community and scientists where they want to say, if this is happening to this member of your family, then it's likely to happen to you. And the reason that they come to those conclusions is because they gather the statistics and they find the factual evidence that there are these trends, but they don't understand what the vibrational basis of those trends are. It's as simple as this. It's hard to not notice something that lives in your house. It's hard to not notice it, and it's hard to then not react to it. And so reactions are actions. It doesn't matter why you're offering the vibration you are. You're offering the vibration you are. And the universe is going to react to the vibration that you're offering.